Lamborghini emblem, a symbol of power, now bears the scars of the sea. Rust streaks and oxidation reveal the yacht's exposure to harsh marine elements, a luxury undone by nature.
Look at the size of this thing. It's massive. Never seen anything like it. Must be worth a fortune.
How'd it end up here?
Corrosion spread here?
Yeah, I'm filming this.
We need to monitor this.
Got it. Looks deep.
Easy now, lift it slow. Got it, creaking bad. Shining the light, hold steady. What's down there? Rusted out, look.
The new hull design is on the tablet. Yes, I'm looking at the reference photos now. Good. Can we adjust the bow section? We can. I'll mark the changes. Perfect, thanks. Look at her. The damage is extensive, but she's salvageable. We can restore her. Then it's decided. The restoration journey begins. Officially. Let's make her whole again.
Ready on the bow, lift slow. Ready, bow is clear. Stern clear, watch the cables.
Steady now, hold position.
Okay, these are the primary lift points.
And the hull clearance?
Confirmed. It's clear.
Good.
Let's trace the path.
Right. Looks good.
All right, slide it under, watch the hull. Pulling left, it's tight. Right side's in, pushing up. Hold it, secure the blocks. Block set, ready to lift. Good work, stand by.
Cable tension good. Bringing her up slow. Hold. Port side is low. Adjust. Correction made. Settling now. Looks good. Stabilize. Steady now. Keep her balanced. She's rising clean. Water's pouring off. Almost there. Hold the line. Perfect. She's clear. Lower steady. Watch the alignment. Cables holding. Keep signaling. Tiny correction left. Brake squeaking. Almost there. Final settle. Check the forward ratchets. Chains are secure. Pad the midsection now. Final check complete.
All right, bring her in slow, keep it straight. Waves on, you're clear. Good, steady now.
See this spot here? It's corroding. Right. Tap it. Let's check the panel. I'll get a photo of this seam. Good. Let's check the integrity. Tapping now. Sounds solid.
On this luxury yacht, technicians confront corroded electrical systems. Let's trace this main harness. Connector pins are heavily oxidized. They use multimeters to diagnose faults. Let's replace this module.
Panel's free. Look at this cavity. Bolts are sorted, ready for the next.
All right, let's get some light on this.
Copy that. Illuminating the block.
Good. Check the main lines for corrosion.
Confirmed. Looks intact. Shaft alignment looks off here. Yeah, and these mounts are corroded. Let's check the seals. Seals are intact. Good. Okay, loosening the starboard fuel line now. Got it. Watch for the drip. Clear. The distortion here, we need to reinforce along this line. I agree. Mark it for repair and notify the fabrication team.
Keep it steady. Almost there. Watch the sparks. All right, done.
Running the straightage along the contour. Looks good here. Check that gap at the stern. Tight. Perfect.
Surface is prepped. Let's check the tolerances. Readings are good, ready for assembly. Torque to spec, aligning now, perfect fit.
All right, slowly now. Keep it steady. Clear on the left. Watch the clearance on that hose. Perfect. Down, down. Stop. Hold it right there. Looks good.
Så для samiteľa, kto bakit ide ja pod prakot, to bude to snakam mia. So ja na setupu mnogi matva bottom up.
Power's back online.
Checking good. Check the diagnostics.
All green.
Line it up carefully there. Make sure the connections are secure. It's perfectly aligned. Engaging the system now.
I'm reading an open circuit here.
Check the diagram on page 47.
Found it. It's connected. Trying the power now.
I think the carbon fiber adds a modern touch.
Yes, but the leather feels more luxurious.
Yeah.
Let's see how these textures align with the design on the tablet.
Hold it there. Just a little tighter. That's it. Grab the clamp. Line it up here. Getting it now. Yeah. That's perfect. Nice work.
The trim fits perfectly. Torque that screw to spec. Just need to wipe this panel.
Yeah.
Excellent alignment on this section.
Systems activated. Looking good to go.
Engaging navigation. Check.
Check.
Keep it steady along the trim. Yes, maintaining pressure. Check the reflection on the bowl.
Line it up perfectly.
Hold it steady.
Just a fraction more to the left.
Okay, it's seated.
Release the tension on the arms.
Systems are online. Navigation systems green.
Course set. Making adjustments now.
Data confirmed. Let's maintain this speed.
Keep it steady. Down a little slower. Center left needs adjustment. Stop. Secure the straps now. Keep it steady there. Unbuckling the feed now. Pull it through, please. Clear. Clear. Going to the stern. All right, easy does it. Just a little lower. Contact. Good, let's get moving. Bravo! Congratulations on the win.
Luxury resurrection complete. A cinematic finale.